Good morning. So I get a lot of questions about how to make banana and ice cream, which I have pretty much most days for breakfast. So I figured I'd do a little video. So first, you peel and freeze bananas. So once they're frozen, this is 4 frozen bananas in the Vitamix. So it helps if you have a high-speed blender. If you don't, you can also use a food processor. So it's going to be a little bit noisy while I run it, but here we go. You turn it on, put it on high. That's it. There you have it. Takes a little bit, and like I said, it's a tad noisy. But there you go, creamy banana cream. So from there, you just put it in a bowl. If you want, you can add, at this point, you could add carob powder or cacao powder to give it a chocolate flavor. I like to pulse in medjool dates because it gives it like chunks of like caramel in there, which I love. But you could top it with berries or get creative, whatever you like. So enjoy your banana and ice cream. Have a beautiful day.